iMove. Tutorial 1. Getting started.
Open your Unity project. In this example, we will create a universal render pipeline project from scratch. Once your project is open, install the recommended dependencies from the Package Manager. The Package Manager can be opened from the Window tab in the Unity toolbar. First, we will install an animation pack. We recommend Movement Animset Pro by Ragdoll. Since iMove was designed with this asset in mind, this will give you the best results. It is important to note that iMove does work with other animation packs and even custom ones. See the documentation for more information. Next, install iStep. This is not required, but is recommended. iStep handles foot grounding and character leaning so that you have more realistic movement. Next, install Strider. This is also not required, but enhances the character's movement animations so that instead of changing the animation speed, you can change the animation stride to control how fast a player moves. This makes the character's speed changes appear more realistic. It is also useful if you are using very small or very large characters. Next, install Ragdoll Animator 2. This is not required, but allows dynamic falling and get-up animations when the character is hit by an object. Next, install Motion Warping by Kinemation. This is also not required, but allows Parkour. Enabling Parkour will free up the player so that they don't feel bound to the floor. It allows them to easily mantle up onto objects or to vault over them. Some of the recommended assets require the Unity Jobs package. Ensure you are using the latest version of Jobs. To do this, go to the Package Manager, Unity Registry, Jobs Version History, and click Update on the latest version. Because this is a new project, we will create a folder with the project name. Here we will store all of our project-related folders. Create another folder called Scenes where we can create a test scene. Within the Scenes folder, create a scene that we can use for testing. With the testing scene open, add a terrain object to the scene. If you intend to use AI navigation, see the iMove documentation for how to bake a nav mesh onto the terrain. It's time to install iMove. I'm installing from the desktop since it hasn't been released yet on the Asset Store. However, you will install it from the Package Manager. Once it is installed, go to the Tools menu, then click Glass Vault Studio. Select iMove. This will open up the iMove Setup window, where it will automatically check to make sure you have the correct dependencies installed. This is also a great way to get to the iMove documentation or Discord support channels. If all of the assets are recognized, click Set up iMove to install the corresponding iMove packages. This will take some time, so be sure to wait while it installs the packages. Once the corresponding iMove integration packages have been installed, those dependencies will turn green. This next part can be done manually, or for a quick start, you can select your animation pack type. Then insert an iMove player into your scene. This will insert the generic iMove player for that animation pack type. The iMove demo character is using the built-in render pipeline. Since our project is URP, we can convert the demo character to URP by using the render pipeline converter. This is located in the window menu. For your own project, you will most likely be using your own custom characters, so this step will not be necessary. For now, we will use the default iMove character. See Tutorial 2 for how to add custom characters to your iMove player. Let's move the terrain so that it is beneath the player. By default, the iMove player is set so that its ground layer is default. This can be changed, but we will leave it like this for now. iMove has been set up. It's time to hit play and test the scene. You can find demo scenes for each of the different integration types within the iMove Integrations folder. The demo scenes show examples of how to change characters, set NavMesh agent target destinations, create interactable objects, and more. So be sure to check them out if you are interested in doing any of those things.
Let's do this.
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
Warrock is ready. Let's do this. What's up? Let's do this.
That concludes this video tutorial. In the next one, we will show you how to set up a custom character. Bye for now, and see you in the next video.